Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Virgin mobile account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see, and on the search bar click over there and type in virginmedia.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Virgin mobile account login. Hit enter, and you can see the mobile.virgin.media.com. Let's click over here. Log into your Virgin mobile account is available over here from the Google. Now to log into your Virgin mobile account from the official website or the home page of Virgin Media, you can see the sign in option available over here. Under here you can see the Virgin mobile account. Click on the sign in option over here and you'll be taken to the same page. Since both of the pages are same, let's close one of these, and after that you'll be required to enter your email address over here which you registered on your Virgin mobile and your password over here, and after that you need to continue to verify that you are not a robot by clicking here, and you will be given a certain task, and after that you can simply click on login to sign into your Virgin mobile account. Or if you have not yet registered for Virgin mobile account, simply click on register to sign up for the Virgin Media account or the Virgin mobile account. Or if you have forgotten your email address and password, just click here and your email address, and you'll be taken to the page where you can retrieve your email and password by going through a certain procedure. And there guys, logging into your Virgin mobile account is this easy, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.